Is it getting hot in here or is it just me?
Oh, Kelly.
Stop it.
Let's take a break from Einstein's big idea and move on to our documentary about mechanical energy.
Have you and your friends ever been on a slide and wondered, is mechanical energy conserved? The answer is no.
And so, on a freezing Sunday morning, we put on our galoshes and decided to embark on a journey in physics that would change our lives forever.
But first, here's the materials we'll need.
Barbies,
Barbie cars,
slide,
tape measure,
able hands to conduct the experiment,
a stopwatch.
children to watch us conduct our experiment.
Oh,
Here is a brief overview of our procedure.
first we measured the height of the slide and the distance from the end of the slide to the beginning of the slide to get our delta x value. Then we started a car from rest at the top of the slide and timed it from the second it flew off the slide to the second it hit the ground. We then measured the distance from the end of the slide to the car. We use this distance in the Bulldozer equation, very familiar I know, to get a final velocity. This final velocity we plugged into the kinetic energy formula, which is K equals 1/2 mv squared, duh. And we found that, and we compared it to our GPE and found that they were not equal.
Wow, interesting stuff. Let's move on to our feature presentation. This is Allie. Oh, it's not on. 7.1 ounces.
Is 42 inches and the delta x is 77.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Just as long as I don't fall. Okay.
There.
Right there.
Here?
Yep.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay.
Watch out, Rhea.
The door went open.
Let down your hair.
Go.
71. And that's
This is 11 inches.
sweet. 1:38 seconds.
Nice. Okay. This is 18 and a half.
Go.
It is 16 inches.
Woo!
Ah.
I just found the GPE to be 3.12 joules.
Really? Well, using the Bulldozer equation, I found that our velocity off the slide is 4.49 meters per second, which would mean that the KE is 3.03 joules.
Why is that?
Well, that must mean that mechanical energy is not conserved.
I agree with you, but why?
down the slide, there's a force of friction acting against it, which causes energy to be transferred in the form of heat. This could account for our loss in joules. They were not cool in our case.
Julie, I think you spelled Mr. Paschke wrong. And now
We're gonna go see the Beowulf movie.
field trip. Everyone get in the van.
You guys get Where's my sweetheart?
We used it on
Kelly.
on that.
Diligently working. Ria helping Kelly.
Sort of.
Liz just sitting there.
We could also photo button on there if you wanted to.
Well, wasn't that just a thrilling example of how mechanical energy is conserved?
It sure was. So basically, in this experiment, we attempted to see if mechanical energy is conserved or not.
We found that energy is conserved, but mechanical energy actually is not conserved due to the force of friction being released as heat.
Yes. So therefore, the law was not demonstrated. However, there could have been some sources of error in our experiment. And one of them being that possibly when the car was rolled off, or when the car went off the bottom of the slide, it could have traveled further or stopped early due to the snow.
And the slide was wet because of the snowfall earlier that morning, so that could have been slippery.
And possibly we could have also had human mistakes, such as mistakes with the timer or measuring. Hope you enjoyed our experiment.
And now back to Einstein's big idea.
Build a fortress and shield